Hello there, welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video I'm going to share to you about indices, which is actually lesson 3 from our previous video titled algebraic fraction. Okay, in these indices we have like few rules to follow. Okay, number 1, we have an algebra here, multiply with another algebra, so it becomes a square. Alright, so the rule here is when you have, okay, rule number 1, okay, we have here a power of m multiply with the a power of n. When you see it's a multiply here, alright, when you see it is a multiply, the thing you have to do is a, and you can see this power, right? This power m and n, it will become plus m plus n. Alright, so example here, okay, this is example 1. Okay, example 2, a power of 3 multiply with the a power of 4. So you just have to plus this, both of this number 3 plus 4, and you are getting the a power of 7. Okay, now we are going to rule number 2. Okay, rule 2, when you have divide, okay, when you have divide, it will become minus. You just have to take the power here, m minus with n. Okay, the presentation of this question can either be this one, or it can be a power of m divided by a power of n. It's the same. Alright, so your answer is just, you just have to take this m minus this n. Okay, now for example number 3, let's say we have 4 supposed to be, and then we divide this with 1, so it becomes a 4 minus 1 equals to a power of 3. Okay, now we change the style of asking this question. Number 4, now we have p7 divided with p3, so it becomes p power of 7 minus 3, and you have there p power of 4. Okay, okay, this is rule 1 and rule number 2. Okay, let us practice this. Alright, the another rule that is useful for now is when you have 1 over a. Alright, okay, when this a moves up, it will become a power of negative 1. Okay, now let's say we have here 1. Okay, this is, I make it separate. Okay, this is 1 over b power of m, and this power of m, b power of m, moves upward. Alright, it becomes b power of negative m. Alright, so I'm going to combine rule 1, rule 2, and rule number 3, and we will practice some of the questions by using these 3 rules. Alright, okay, example practice number 1, p6 q7, we just make a b here, b is 8, okay, divided by p3 q negative 2, and we have here b9. Okay, now you can see that, okay, we focus on the p first, 6 and 3. Alright, 6 we minus with 3 because it's a divide. Now we go to Q. Okay, here we have 7 and we have here -2. Okay, so 7 minus, and make sure you put here -2. Alright, don't miss that out. And then here we have a B, 9, 8 minus 9. Okay, now we just simplify this. We have here 3, and here will be, okay, here will be a plus over here. So 7 plus 2, you got here 9. And then B is a -1. Okay, so how do we simplify this? We just simply write P power of 3, Q power of 9. And if you don't like your answer being negative, power of negative here, you can actually move it downward and it will become positive. So this is your answer. Alright, okay, next we move on with the second question. Okay, second question here, x is -2, y is 3, z is -4, let's say. Okay, now here we have x 1, y is 5, and z is 3. Alright, so we will do the same operation here. X power of -2 minus 1, y is 3 and 5 here, 3 minus 5, z is -4 minus with 3, and all you have here is a x power of -3, y power of -2, and z power of -7. Okay, if you don't like the power of negative, what you can do here, you have to move everything to down and it will become positive. Okay, this is following the rule number 3. Okay, this is z power of 7. Got it? Okay, this is the second example. Okay, third example, where we have x power of 2, y power of 5, and then here we have a power of 3, b power of 4. Alright, and then this one, it will be multiplied with x power of 3 and a power of -2, and here we have y power of 6 and b here power of we just make it into -5. Okay, now okay guys, based on my previous video, a over b, if we multiply with c over d, this is a small revision here. Alright, so a will multiply with c, become a over c, and the b will multiply with d, it become bd. Alright, so as you can see here, a, okay, we don't go for a first, we go for x, and we have here power of 2 and power of 3, and this one will be multiply. Alright, so multiply means the power you should plus, so 2 plus with 3, and then look at y now. Okay, y is a divide. Alright, y is a divide, so it becomes 5 minus 6. The a here, the a becomes divide 2, so you have there -2 minus with 3, so this 2 and this 3, it become minus because it is a divide. Okay, b is a, okay, now b is a multiply. Alright, so okay, since b is at the denominator, we just have to make the operation down here. Okay, b power of 4 and then plus with -5. Alright, now here we just have to simplify this. X power of 5 and y power of -1, a power of -5 divided with the b. Okay, and as you can see here, positive negative it become minus, so you have the -1, and you can simplify this answer x power of 5. All right, as you can see here, y is a -1, right? So bring it down, it become y power of 1, and same goes to your our a power of -5. Bring it downward, so it become a power of 5. This b here we bring it upward and it will become b power of 1, and your full answer will be x power of 5 b y a power of 5. Okay, this is your complete answer. Okay, if you want to make it more clearer, what you can do, you can actually multiply first over here. All right, multiply, then you begin the operation. Okay, now we have that 2 and 3. Okay, 2 plus with 3. Now you have y power of 5 and a power of -2 divided with a power of 3, and b you have 4 and also -5, so 4 plus with -5, and then here we have y power of 6. Okay, you can transform into this equation in this green box before you continue with the operation below. Okay, so hope you understand. Okay guys, so as you can see here, all this equation will be using rule 1, 2 and 3. Alright, so this is the important rule to perform algebraic fraction in combine. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. As long as you can understand something here. Okay guys, please subscribe and support us. We will come back with more videos. Thank you very much guys.